Hey neighbor, is your car warning you about something weird? Is your engine warning you? If your check engine light is on, it's probably because your car is trying to tell you something. In this case, it's a P0301 code, which means there's a misfire in cylinder 1. This can cause your car to lose power, stall, or even fail an emissions test. You don't want that. So, I downloaded AutoNest, connected it to my car, and it detected the problem right away. It showed me the code on my screen, and I was able to fix it before it got worse. You can do the same. Connect AutoNest to Yo.